Hey guys, sorry I've been out and about. It's been a crazy busy week. This one is for Edward W, and I'm really sorry it's taken me so long to get to you on this. But what he was asking is he's got this great box that he wants to just kind of adjust these sides right here so that they're a little bit taller. Right now they're just over 1.5 inches, it looks like, or right about 1.5 inches tall, and he needs them to be 3.5 inches. And how do we do this without actually, kind of messing up or distorting this hinge, because that's an important part of this box. So I want to go over with you guys how I would approach this. So one of the things we got to really watch out for when we're adjusting these is that we've got two parts, right? So if this is the top of the box, the bottom of the box, and these are sides or front and back, and these are sides, we've got to make sure all of our tabs and stuff are going to line up. So how I approach this, I am going to take this guy and I'm going to flip him around, because whatever I do to this one, I need to do to this one to make sure that my tabs still line up. So I'm going to connect these two, or just select both of these. I'm going to go B to align them bottom, and I'm going to go L to align them left. As you can see, this is an imperfect box, which is perfectly fine. I'm sure it's still going to work out just great. But now I have these two set together. I can select both of them. I can go up here to my nodes, and I can say, okay, this is about where I want to stretch my box. So let me pull this over a little bit further. And then I'm just going to use my arrow keys. Make this a little bit bigger. I'm going to go up here and see if I can. So I'm at 1.92. So arrow down a couple more times. 2.5. 1, 2, 3, 4 more times. 3.3. So we'll say that's close enough. And you can get closer by dragging it or whatever works best for you. Now I just need to go down and make sure, let me click off these, that this guy now has a tab here that's going to fit in right here, and we still have our small tabs. The other thing I want to do is make sure that I have this in the right location. Looks like it's some part of the box as well. So I'm just going to grab this here. I'm going to group those. I'm going to flip it around, and that's going to be here, go to the bottom, go to the left, and then I can ungroup. Take this out. I've got that placement correct. I can delete this one. I don't need it. I don't need any of this stuff over here because I just rebuilt the other side anyway. So I can go Control C, Control V, and then I'm going to mirror image those. Whoops, the other way. And I've got my right and left, and now it's almost 3.5 versus 1.5. All my tabs are going to still line up correctly, and everything is where it's supposed to be without stretching or distorting the hinge. So I hope that helps someone today.